The DREO 36-inch Nomad 1 tower fan could be one of the best tower fans you can get at the 36-inch size. It comes with smart Wi-Fi, it comes with a remote, it is very quiet, it comes with 4 different modes, and it has one of the best displays that are easy to use and very responsive. So let's take a look at what it looks like when it's oscillating. As it goes left and right, it is very quiet, and you'll notice that it doesn't take a lot of space. So if you put this inside of your room, you can place it where exactly you want it because it's not that big. However, it is very quiet. You can also turn off the sound of the beeps. You can go oscillate between 1, 2, 3, 4 speeds, and you can put it on breeze mode. You can clean it easily. As you see, I'm just removing the screw off the back, and this is something very unique. Now I have direct access to the bladeless fans, so I can clean it and remove any dust. And this is what it looks like top down. You notice that there's not just one big turbine, it is a long turbine that works very well. Let's take a closer look at the app. So I'm just going to be placing back my cover, and this is how you do that. The DREO tower fan has come a long way since it first came out. Now here we're opening it. I'm not going to really cut anything. I'm just going to let you see exactly the whole process. I'm going to add my device. Here I'm going to select which tower fan to choose. I'm just going to go directly to it. I'm going to set the Wi-Fi mode on my tower fan by holding it down for 5 seconds, and it's automatically connect. Now I connect via Wi-Fi and boom, you're done. You're just going to name it and you have direct access to the app. All of that should take you about 90 seconds, maybe 2 minutes. Now inside of the app, it's going to act just like it's a remote. You can change the mode, you can change the fan speed, and you have access to the settings in case you wanted to adjust or put it on a auto schedule. So one feature here that a lot of the people might not expect in their tower fan is that it comes with an auto mode. So depending on the ambient temperature, you see here, it's going to show you the ambient temperature in the app. It can turn itself on and off and adjust itself accordingly, which is one of the best features of the DREO Nomad 1. So the question is, who is this for? So if you're looking for a tower fan that doesn't take a lot of space and is not as big as the 40 or 42 inch versions, here you're going to be getting one that's 36 inches. It is very quiet. It has a 42 watt rated motor and it works. And it works with your phone. It works with the remote. You can take it anywhere. You can place it anywhere. And that's why it makes a lot of sense. So this is David with the French Glow signing off. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll catch you next time. Bye, bye, bye.